Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Equalizer in Audacity app. So first of all, open Audacity. And then drag your audio file into Audacity timeline. So now my file is added into Audacity timeline. Then select any part of your audio. For example, I wanna select that part. And then go to the effect, select EQ and filters. So there are two options there, filter curve equalizer and graphic equalizer. So select filter curve equalizer if you wanna add filter curve equalizer in that audio. And if you wanna add graphic equalizer, select graphic equalizer in that audio. So I wanna add graphic equalizer in that part of the audio. So select graphic equalizer and click apply. So now the graphic equalizer is added into that
Is it
part.
too late? Isn't YouTube oversaturated?
So this is how you can add equalizer in Audacity app. Thank you.